Now the second case, case 2. If the direction of force is opposite to the direction of displacement. What is the meaning of this case 2? The same trolley again, or you take an example of car now. We will take an example of car. Take an example of car. When the car is moving in forward direction, suppose the car is moving in this direction, so this becomes the displacement made by the car, but the force applied by the wheels of the car is in the opposite direction. Okay, so car is moving in this direction, displacement made by the car or movement made by the car is in this direction, but the force applied by the wheels of the car is in opposite direction. So force and the displacement are opposite to each other. So therefore, what will be the angle theta if the force application is like this and the displacement is like this way? Then what is the angle between the force and displacement? The angle is 180 degree. Then what happens to the work done now? F into S into cos 180 degree. So F into S into cos 180 is -1. So work done is given by minus F into S. So here you will get a negative work done. Negative sign doesn't mean that work done is negative. Work is always positive, but this negative sign indicates that the displacement and the force are opposite to each other. So work done is given by minus F into S. So this is case 2. The next case is